Hi, in this quick video, I will show you how to fix the Vanguard secure boot error so you can play Valorant. First, close the Riot client, press Windows plus R and type msinfo32 and press enter. Check the secure boot state. If it says off, you need to enable it in BIOS. Restart your PC. While booting, press your BIOS key. Usually delete F2, F10 or F12 depending on your motherboard. Once in BIOS, switch to advanced mode. Menu names vary, so follow the on-screen guide. Go to settings, then advanced, then Windows OS configuration and set the boot mode to UEFI. If CSM is enabled, disable it. Next, open secure boot. Set the system to user. If it's in setup mode, switch to standard, then enable secure boot. Now go to settings, then security, trusted computing and enable TPM. Save changes and reboot. Launch Valorant. That's it. Secure boot is enabled and the error is fixed.